Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x800706f4 in Windows 11 step by step. This error usually happens because of incorrect system settings, Windows Update service issues, or corrupted system files. So let's start with the first solution. First of all, you need to check your computer's date and time. Sometimes, if the date and time are incorrect, Windows Update will fail and show this error. Click on the date and time in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If the date or time is wrong, correct it manually. After fixing the date and time, try updating Windows again. If the error is still not resolved, don't worry, move on to the next step. Now, we will restart the Windows Update service. Click on the Start menu. Type Services. Click on the Services app when it appears. Now, in the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Update. If Windows Update is running, right-click on it. Click Restart. If Windows Update is not running, right-click again. Click Properties. In the Startup Type drop-down, select Automatic. Click Apply. Now click Start, then click Apply again and finally click OK. After doing this, try updating Windows again. If you still see error 0x800706f4, continue to the next fix. Now we will repair corrupted system files using command prompt. Click on the Start menu. Type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. Now, copy and paste all these commands into the command prompt. These commands are available under the description. Please wait, because these commands may take some time to finish. Once everything is completed, restart your computer. After restarting, your Windows Update error 0x800706f4 should be completely fixed. And that's it. Now you know how to fix error 0x800706f4 in Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment below if you still face any issue. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.